How to fix Google Maps arrow on wrong direction. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Google Map arrow is on wrong direction, it is basically because of a glitch or a bug issue. Now to fix it, head back from your Google Map application. Then first and foremost, drop down the notification center and locate the location option. Disable the location feature for a couple of minutes or so. After that, you can go ahead and turn it on once again. After this, go ahead and press and hold onto your Google Maps. Then head over to App Info. From here, you need to force stop it, then tap on OK. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. By this way, you'll be able to fix your Google Map arrow on wrong direction. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.